In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change archive to trash on Gmail. If you ever find yourself accidentally archiving emails when you really meant to delete them, this walkthrough will help you work faster and keep your inbox tidy. Start by opening your browser and signing in to Gmail. Once you're in, the key to trashing quickly instead of archiving is to turn on Gmail's keyboard shortcuts. Click the Settings gear in the top right, then choose See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll until you find keyboard shortcuts and switch them on. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom. The setting won't apply until you do. With shortcuts enabled, you can process messages much faster. When you're reading or scanning your inbox, pressing the pound key deletes a selected message and moves it straight to trash, while archive commands are separate. This means you won't have to hunt for the trash icon every time, and you'll avoid slipping back into archiving by habit. Give it a quick try on a non-essential message to get the feel for it. If you want to clean up a lot of emails at once, go to All Mail in the left sidebar. All Mail shows everything in your account, including messages that aren't in the inbox. At the top of the message list, tick the Select box. This highlights the emails visible on the page. Look over the selection so you're confident about what's included, then click the trash icon along the toolbar to move those messages into trash. Be thoughtful here. Bulk actions are powerful. If you're unsure, deselect anything you want to keep before you delete. Once messages are in trash, Gmail holds them for 30 days. After that, they're permanently deleted, and the space they used is freed up in your account. That retention period is a safety net in case you change your mind. So if you accidentally delete something, head to the trash label and restore it within that window. If storage space is a concern, letting old trash items expire naturally is an easy way to reclaim room without extra effort. That's all you need. Log in to Gmail, enable keyboard shortcuts, use the pound key to delete quickly instead of archiving, and for larger cleanups, select messages in All Mail and click the trash icon. With these adjustments, your workflow becomes faster and your mailbox stays lean. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.